A common misconception is you have to have had your own children to become foster carers, which we didn't. We started mid-20s and hadn't physically had our own children, cared for a lot of children, and could give evidence where we've helped a lot of children and looked after lots of different age groups. And we've done it the not as traditional way, where we've now fostered for 6.5 years, and now we're starting our family now. We've done it the slightly different way round, which a lot of people don't realise you can do. Many people think fostering is when your own children are older, or possibly even left home, so that the older people have to be foster carers, but any age can do it. So long as you've got some experience with children, you don't have to have had your own birth children to become foster carers. And we're evidence of that.